Thriving in a bearish market. Navigating through a bearish market can feel daunting. The atmosphere is filled with fear, panic, and relentless selling pressure. However, even in such times, smart investors recognize the potential opportunities hidden within the downtrend. Understanding relative strength. One of the primary strategies employed by seasoned investors in a bearish market is focusing on relative strength. This approach involves identifying stocks that manage to fall less than the market does or even maintain a sideways movement. Such stocks indicate resilience, as they generally reflect investor confidence or underlying strength in the company despite market conditions. Sector analysis. In addition to evaluating individual stocks, looking at sectors that exhibit demand can provide insights. Certain sectors, like fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG, tend to remain stable or even gain traction during bearish times. This is due to their essential nature, as consumers will continue to purchase necessary goods despite economic downturns. Screening for resilient stocks. Investors can use screening tools to identify stocks with relative strength. By setting specific criteria, such as price stability or lower volatility compared to the broader market, traders can narrow down their options to potential winners. Analyzing volume and investor sentiment. Apart from stock prices, astute investors also keep an eye on trading volumes and investor sentiment. A stock showing increased volume during market declines might indicate that institutional investors are accumulating shares, signaling confidence in the stock's future prospects. Moreover, a positive investor sentiment towards a particular stock or sector might suggest it will perform well as the market begins to recover. Diversified investment strategy. Finally, a diversified portfolio that includes a mix of sectors and stocks can help mitigate risks associated with a bearish market. By spreading investments across various sectors, investors can cushion the impact of falling prices in one sector with potential gains in another. In conclusion, although a bearish market is filled with challenges, opportunities abound for those who are willing to look closely and invest wisely by identifying resilient stocks and sectors, understanding market signals, and maintaining a diversified portfolio. With careful analysis and strategic planning, investors can find trending stocks even in the most bearish of markets.